Alright. This is what Pepsi does to you. No, not to you. To me.
Oh,
Alright?
that was a weak one.
Hold up. Hold on, people on YouTube. This is what's about to happen.
He said, does
Should I
me.
poke you? Should I poke you?